Hi, I'm Kathy Shoemaker. I love to cook, bake, and spend a lot of time in my kitchen. You should have seen the kitchen before you got here. I make all sorts of yummy food, and I want to invite you into my kitchen to enjoy them as well. Welcome to my kitchen, Kathy's Kitchen. Welcome to Kathy's Kitchen Christmas Edition. Today I have two assistants. I have Rowan and Olivia, Dave Nasankla's daughters, and we are going to make some cinnamon ornaments. It's a very easy, very simple recipe. It's 1 cup of cinnamon, 1 cup of applesauce, and you basically just put it in the bowl, mix it, form a dough, roll it out, cut out the shapes with cookie cutters, and then it goes into the oven for 200 degrees for about an hour for it to completely dry. So it's really simple. It's a lot of fun to do with kids, adults, anybody. So we'll go ahead and get started. And my helpers here, if you each want to take either your cinnamon or your applesauce, it doesn't matter which you put in your bowl, and then pour the other one in the bowl. And then put the cinnamon in and dump that in. All right, and then we're gonna take the dough out and go ahead and take it and put it on the mat. All right, we're gonna put that down there. Now you're gonna use your rolling pin and you're gonna roll it out. And then what we'll do is we're gonna put some cinnamon. There we go. That'll help to keep it from getting sticky. Now what shape do you want? A heart? An angel?
I love angels. This is how I'm
And how about you? What shape do you want to cut out?
I want to cut out the Christmas tree.
Wait, how do you do that?
Skills.
I have skills too.
You're doing great.
I want to do this.
Oh, go right ahead. There you go. Yep, now pull the dough around. Now what we'll do is we're gonna use the straw to poke a hole in there. When these are dry, we're gonna put a ribbon through the hole there. Now that the ornaments are completely dry, we're gonna go ahead and decorate them. And just using fabric paint that you can get at a craft store. It's usually the easiest. You can use glitter if you like glitter. Some people do not like glitter. So today we're just gonna use the fabric paint. The last step of the process is just putting a ribbon through the hole.
Can we hang it on a Christmas tree?
You can hang them on the Christmas tree. And it's ready for hanging.